guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I bring a ton of videos to you each and every week doing the law of attraction, cleaning motivation, and just generally improving yourself as a whole. But today we're going to be talking about the law of attraction, and it's been a little while since I did a video about this. But I was listening to an audiobook the other day on it, and something really inspired me. So a lot of things that people say when it comes to the law of attraction is, I've been doing this, I've been practicing everything that I'm learning, and nothing is happening. And a lot of people tend to get really discouraged when that happens because they feel like they got to be doing something wrong, or they are doing everything right and their dreams aren't coming to them and their life isn't being fulfilled yet. And they just are wondering, how long is this going to take? And like, this doesn't work, is what I hear a lot of, and that's what a lot of the comments that I see on videos that I'm watching. So I was reading this book the other day. It's called Money and the Law of Attraction, and I think it's by Jerry and Esther Hicks. Jerry and Esther Hicks. And it was a really good book, but at the end, they gave an example of something, and this really spoke to me, and it was something that I wanted to share with you guys. So basically what she said is, let's say, for example, that you're going on a trip. Let's just say I don't know where you are. Okay. You're here, you're wanting to get to Texas. Okay. So you start driving and you're in the road, and it's like, you're going on and it's been like a couple hours and you're feeling like it's taking forever to get there. Like you're driving and you keep it's just going on. It's a very slow trip, and you just feel like you've been in the car forever and nothing's happening and you're not getting to Texas. So what do you do? So do you just say, you know what, Texas is like way too far away from me. It's never going to happen for me. I'm never going to get there. I've been on the road now for like 3 hours and I'm not going to get there. It's just not in the cards for me to ever get to Texas. So I'm just going to turn around and go back home. No. You don't do that. That would be really stupid if you did that. But no, you just trust. You put your faith in the road, you put your faith in time, you put your faith in distance, and you know that eventually, if you keep going down that road, you will eventually get to Texas. You just know it. It's just something that you inherently know, you trust in, and you believe in, so you keep continuing forward. It's the exact same thing with the law of attraction. You can't just go ahead and believe and put your manifestations out there and in hopes that everything will be coming to you without actually believing it. Because if you're doing that, you're just driving down the road with no aim, and you're just like going, I don't know where I am. I'm not there yet, so I might as well turn around and go back home. It's exactly what happens when you decide to question yourself and stop believing. The only way for the law of attraction to work is that you have to 100% believe in it. If you are doubting it, it's not going to work. You have to just know in your heart of hearts that you're on the right path. Everything feels good. Your energy feels good. And that's how you know that you're on the right path, is when things feel good to you. So when thinking about your goal makes you excited, makes you happy, and makes you feel good, that's how you know that you're going the right direction. And it might take some time, but you will eventually get there. So like I said, this is going to be a quick little video that just really spoke to me. That example of going down the highway and then turning back around if you don't get there in time. You will eventually get there. And it's the same thing with the law of attraction. You will eventually get there as long as you believe that you will. And you trust in yourself, you trust in the process, and you just know that where you want to end up is where you will end up. So that's what I'm doing in my law of attraction journey. And that example really spoke to me. So I just wanted to come on here and let you guys hear that, because that just was so powerful to me. And I even said it out loud, like I was listening to it on an audiobook, and I even said that out loud. I was like, wow, that is so powerful. And I rewound it and listened to it again. So anyways, let me know in the comments down below if that makes sense to you and if you agree with that, and let me know how your law of attraction journey is going. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.